Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Facebook memory is not working.
Fix 1. Check your Facebook app version. Step 1. Open the App Store, iPhone or Google Play Store, Android. Step 2. Search for Facebook. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Update. Step 4. Restart the app and check memories. Fix 2. Clear Facebook app cache, Android only. Step 1. Go to Settings Apps, Facebook. Step 2. Tap Storage and Cache. Step 3. Tap Clear Cache. Step 4. Open Facebook again and check memories. Fix 3. Log out and log back in Step 1. Open Facebook app. Step 2. Tap Menu Settings and Privacy. Security and Login. Log out. Step 3. Close the app, reopen it, and log back in. Step 4. Check if memories are now showing. Fix 4. Check if posts are archived or deleted. Step 1. Go to your activity log. Check 2. Check if posts or photos you expect in memories are archived or deleted. Step 3. Restore any archived posts if needed. Fix 5. Check your Facebook notifications settings. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Step 2. Tap Menu Settings and Privacy. Settings Notifications Memories. Step 3. Make sure notifications are on. Step 4. This ensures Facebook can show your memories regularly. Fix 6. Reinstall Facebook. Step 1. Uninstall the Facebook app from your device. Step 2. Reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Log in and check memories again.